symmetrical. There's a little bit more heat coming off at the top of your spine, but it feels like once I get to here, the skin changes its texture, but your spine is nice and straight up and down. Okay, there's no curvatures here. Let's turn to the left. Good. No, keep your head. Oh yeah, yes. You can look straight ahead. Look with where your body is pointed there. Okay. Do you have any tenderness here?
No.
So let's do this. Keep your feet together, and then what you're gonna do, I'm gonna look at how your SI joints are moving here. What you're gonna do is open your knees. Keep your feet on the ground where they are and open your knees. Good, now close. Good, open, close. Okay, go ahead and march in place. So funny. Okay, looking at your back first. It looks like when you lift. Go ahead, just keep walking. I'm gonna talk, don't pay attention to me. Good, very symmetrical here, movement of the low back. Okay, stop. I'm gonna measure your glute fibers now, okay? You're gonna feel my fingertips on the back of your hamstrings. So we're gonna go like this, right here. We're gonna trace up to the bottom of the glute folds. They look pretty even here. Looking from the top, they look even maybe slightly external rotated on the left. The other way, all the way down. All right, so the feet look good. No pronation, no supination happening there in the ankles. The head tilt towards the right as well. Go back one more time. Okay, and then looking at the hips. Hips look like an even swing from left to right. Okay, lots of exam stuff left to do. Before we adjust, we'll practice one first. Okay, so there won't be any surprises or anything. Okay. Pressure's okay?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Mm-hmm. It already cracked a little because it's like ready to go. Okay, nice and gentle. Take a deep breath in through your nose and out. Gentle, gentle. Let your shoulders down. Sink in. Now, this one's a little bit different. This time we push at the top of the in-breath, so you're going to breathe all the way in and then we push, okay? Okay, deep breath in, far as you can go. Good, and out. Keeping your legs straight, lift this leg in the air. Good, down, left lumbar is firing. Okay, now let's do this side. Good, down. Okay, so we're going to adjust the SI joint on both sides.
So I typically sleep on my side.
Mm-hmm.
Is that bad for your back?
What was the same side?
I sleep on this side a lot, yeah. I'll like try to switch, but I feel like I always end up on the same side.
So like right now, you're like, this is like sloping down that way.
Yeah.
And that puts pressure on your SI joint. But if your hip was like that, because you have a pillow in between, that's less pressure there in your sacrum. So bring that down. The second thing that you have to do with your head. Right, so right now you're on an incline, so let me just do this. Good. So now put your head down. So like right now your spine is completely aligned this way. Good. That was perfect. One more. Gentle. Good. Gentle. Let your whole body sink in. Let your hips relax. Good.
Oh my God.
How'd that feel?
That felt really good.
Okay, one more time. Deep breath in. Good, and out. Good, letting the shoulders go. Good, letting the hips go. Good. And you're back. Very good. Very gentle breathing. Just let everything sink in. Good.
I have been so worried about that one for so long, but that felt really good.
No big deal,
feels
right?
nice. Yeah.
Feels like it's in the middle. Good, let this kind of sink in. Just let everything go.
Oh.
And that was okay.
Yeah.
We almost got all of it.
Oh.
There's a little bit more. Good, let your head drop.
Oh. That one felt the best. I feel like sometimes when I do like the yoga at home and when you just roll your neck around to get it stretched out, like It almost feels like there was something kind
Grinding.
of, yes, like kind of like crunchy, and I would just completely skip that step because I hate how that feels.
He's the only one that didn't want to go. Good, that was your pubic bone. Start with the iliocecal valve. We locate that by first locating the umbilical here. And then the ASIS is the bony part of your hip in the front, okay? Okay, we connect those two lines, then we start from that point there. Ticklish?
Very.
Okay, here, put this hand on top of my hand, and that decreases the ticklishness. Okay, now this is a diaphragm release. Okay, so what you're gonna do is breathe into your belly. Do some belly breaths. Good. Now as you breathe out, suck your belly in. Good. Do that again. In through your belly. Out. Suck your belly all the way in. Good. Okay, again. In. That's called a borborygmi. It is. We're just moving air around. We're just moving water and fluids around. Or breakfast. What time did you eat breakfast?
Like 7.
Yeah, so 8, 9, 10. So we're way into the transverse and even the descending colon here. So this is just breakfast moving. Not only is it normal, but it's awesome. You're gonna be the gurgly stomach. Arms resting on your belly. Okay, so this is another neck adjustment. Okay, this is a full spine adjustment. So what we're gonna use is we're gonna use the towel to support your neck. Nice gentle breathing. I'm gonna follow your breath and we're gonna traction in your spine in this direction, okay?
Oh my gosh. Oh wow.
Easy. Up gently. Good. Good. We're gonna come down like this just a little bit. Good. All right, let's do this. Bring your hands behind your neck. Let this relax here. Let the shoulders relax. Look straight ahead. Good. Loose, loose. Shoulder up like this. Ooh. Nice, gentle breathing. Sometimes, like, different parts of your body, you have, like, this yellowing in your skin. Did you ever notice that?
Well, I did self-tan.
Is that what it is? Okay.
Yeah.
Good, good.